What's going on, guys? It's Sneakerhead616 back here with another video, and today we have a pair of black cement 3s, which is crazy. We've done a couple of pairs of these, but it's the first time I've ever done a full video for you guys on the channel. So we have an unyellowing, cleaning, a full repaint, just a whole bunch of goodies for you guys today. So I'm starting off the cleaning with some Rejuvenator, and I'm going to be using a medium texture brush for the uppers to go ahead and give them a nice scrub. And once I'm done cleaning the uppers, I use a microfiber cloth to just go ahead and dry up the uppers and make sure there's no water stains or anything of the sort. Now that it's all good to go, we're switching over to the stiff textured brush, which we're going to use to clean up the entire midsole portion of the shoe and outsole portion of the shoe. And here I'm just using an X-Acto knife to go ahead and just pick out all the little dirt and stuff in between the crevices to make it easier for me to actually scrub the bottoms. And my favorite part here is just rinsing off the bottoms. Then we're going to switch over to a wire brush. You guys can see there's still marks on the bottom, so we're just using that to kind of get out the extra as much as we can before we do the icing process to them, which you guys are going to see right after this actually. So here I have 2 sheets of clear wrap that I cut out, and you basically want it to be the entire length of the shoe with some space in the front and the back so you can just fold it up. Then we're going to be using some CCK sole sauce to apply for the process. And everywhere I'm pointing to, around the sides, all that links up. This is the entire outsole portion, basically. And then we're just going to use a paintbrush to apply it. Light coats, you don't want heavy coats, just light coats all around. Then you use the clear wrap it up. You can use a heat gun to like make it stick, and then we just put in the UV light for a couple of hours, and then we're good to go. Now at this point, we're using some cotton rounds and some acetone to just go around the edges, the parts that have little staining left on it. That will help remove it. But we're also using the same combination to go ahead and strip the old paint off the midsole. So if the shoes are too old, you don't want to do this, but these aren't very old. These are like 2016, so it's safe to do. In other cases, you might want to use some paint stripper or something safe for that. And then you can see here, we have it all stripped nice and cleanly all around. And I also ended up using the glue eraser there to help with the stripping as well. So now at this point, we're just taping everything off just to make sure you don't want to get paint in places obviously you don't want it. Make everything as clean as possible. And now that everything is taped off, we're using some Angelus flat white to put down a couple of base coats. Once we've done that, we're going to focus on painting the actual black area, and then we're going to actually go and finish up the white. So we're using some flat black Angelus paint here with a small paintbrush because this is like a very fine area. So basically the points that I just covered, that's where we're going to be painting black. Obviously that's the factory painting on the black cement 3s. And if you guys remember, the elephant print was severely damaged, so we mixed some gray and black to make the perfect combination. You guys can see here, it matched so beautifully. And at this point, we're just applying some finisher. You guys can see the midsole has like a flat look, but once you did the finisher, it gives it a nice little shine. Not too much of a shine, but it gives it some definition, and the finisher also helps protect the paint. I did about 2 or 3 coats, just light coats, the same way you would paint the actual shoes. Alright guys, at this point, these shoes are finished, and boy, did these come a long way. Like, come on, midsole repaint came out nice and clean or fresh. You know, soles came out super clean. Remember how these looked? All yellow and stuff as well. We touched up the elephant print, got that looking right. Like, man, the difference is it's impeccable. So if you guys want to shoot me done to your own sneakers, DM my IG, you see that right there. If you have any questions or concerns, drop a comment, DM me. I'm always happy to help. And most importantly, if you enjoyed the video, like, share, subscribe, and I'll see y'all in the next one.